Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open RAR files on the Windows 11. So first of all you need to do, once you open your PC, if you are a Windows 11 user, this will be great, but if you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go and upgrade into Windows 11 through your settings. It is totally free, so don't worry. And of course, you can even run the installation into the background of your PC while you are using your PC. Of course, it could be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem. Once the installation finished, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you will find yourself with the Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 if you having any issues or problems. But I bet you will not do that because Windows 11 is much decent. So of course, as we said, we would like to open our files on the Windows 11. So if you want to do that, you will have to download an application that opens the RAR files. Of course, the most known application is WinRAR. So you can just go and open your browser. Let's say as an example, this is my browser here. And all I need to do here is just type download WinRAR. Click at the first link. Make sure to download it from here. Just click and the download should start. Run it and install it into your PC. Once it's installed, you will need to go to your RAR file. And let's say as an example, this is for me. Let's just go into priorities. And here you'll be able to see how much size on it and even how much files and folders it contains. So as you can see, this is actually a zip file, but the zip file and the RAR files are actually the same. So of course, if you have WinRAR app, all you need to do just double click on it and it will be opened. Of course, if it's not opened, you can just right click on it and click at open with, and of course choose your WinRAR. Or if you don't have it here, you can choose another app and look for your WinRAR here. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.